Alright, so this is a new segment that I'm introducing here on my YouTube channel. Every Friday, I'll be doing what's called a Friday Roundup. For those who don't have Instagram or have yet to follow me on Instagram, I'll just post most of the hot topics right here on Fridays, alright?
When you plan for do something, God, you not have to give no time frame, nah, you understand?
Next month, with the yard, man.
Bumbo clot, boy, me just start putting back some hours, my father. Me can't jump up. Me can't jump up, my God, cause I want to tell you, say, since they them go to book and say, alright, then watch your man official, you understand? That training me the depend and thing, and you understand me I say? So you know it's a good look next week, the following week, and the rest of the week, them. You understand me I say?
At the same procedure right now, my bro. Remember the card and I play the
I want to know anything come down, my father, man.
It's nice to meet you.
No man, Queenie, come out. She look real nice here. So the makeup, the ear, and all of them look something there. Dewey, you have to go live look a bit more. Just a joke. But Queenie do in fact look real nice right here. So really, really nice.
In Jamaica, the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Anyway, the police are at Central Jamaica. They have them party tonight in their rich walk. Rich. Blush and this have my blushing. Blush cook here. Cook makeup. Cook cream.
Me nah laugh. Not even killer can't stop me from killer off. Cut big foot Cinderella in a half. You think said a blood clot when you talk?
So ISHAWNA did in fact showed up on their Instagram page and left 6 laughing hard emoji, and the girls replied with the castic and the pew pew. Anyways, ISHAWNA is laughing not because them seeking a clash on behalf of Bounty Killer, but because they've been underneath Bounty Killer for so long. Why for that I know, but nobody still don't really know the K Queens, you know. And Bounty Killer have put so many male artists on, but people legit don't know these girls. And I don't think I should give them a look at one piece line while dissing Bounty, but let's
dance and not be a problem. Stepping on the road, hear me now. Alright, hey, gone again, gone again. That me say yard man, I give them problem. I watch ya, yeah, gone again, turn it gone again. I me say yard man, I give them problem. I me say what Joe is stunting and what Joe is style. What Joe is stunting and everybody smile. Look on the girl them, watch the style. Oh yo,
why you think Jamaica deteriorate? Cause this blood clot system and double standard system, it fuck up. You see, in Danali, you have to get justice because jar work and a man a work. That's why it work out that way. Watch your style. You know, sentence blood clot cartel and give him 35 years and Sean Stamp 30 years for insufficient evidence. Evidence we want to tamper with. Hearsay. Sentence man for hearsay and give them 30 blood clot here and 35 years. And Danali case where everything obvious in the case, you know, takes up blood clot long for lock up the man. Let me see if you're not going to make the police brother you walk about nobody and insufficient case and no DNA. If you no Lego the bumbo clot boy, you have to Lego Sean Storm and Lego cartel. That me a bumbo clot tell you know. Yeah? Danali have to get justice. Else you have to Lego every man in a bumbo clot jail cell. We want to have a blood clot case and prove the case good. And make sure so you have the right evidence. That alone me I tell you no.
I ain't gonna lie, you guys be getting me mad. You always in my DM asking for money.
Use your vagina. Use your vagina. God gave it to you for a reason. Use it. You're having sex anyway. See, the next time you bending over for a man, instead of spitting in your hand, turn around and playing with his balls. Turn around and open your hand. Tell him you need some money. Because if you are using your vagina, you should not be asking me for money. Ask him money. You're not giving me nothing. You're not giving me no pum pum. So I don't get it. Use your vagina to go to Dream Weekend and do whatever else you want to do.
You couldn't put Jesus as well.
You must be mad. Put it Jesus.
Take care of a minute right now.
You can't put Jesus for me diamond, you man.
Why? I know Jesus bless you.
What have that?
Come on, take care of a minute before me pop you off. Cause Jesus can't go on him, me no want to run.
You don't get feel Jesus, man. Jesus is this guy, man.
Listen to me. Come take it off now.